What if you stop trimming your cat's nails? Day 1, you skip the manicure. Their nails look fine, sharp but manageable. You think cats naturally file them down, right? Month 1, their nails are getting longer. Clicking sounds on the hardwood floor. They're scratching everything. They're walking differently, trying to avoid the sharp tips. Month 6, the nails have curled completely around, piercing back into their own paws. Every step is agony, but they can't tell you. Year 1, severe paw damage. Chronic infection affecting their whole body. Your cat is stuck on the couch. It can't even move. All because you thought they didn't need a trim.